The Amiga 2000 also gives you that same kind of control over how you present your ideas to your clients.
A lot of times it's not necessarily the quality of your work, but how you present it that's going to get you the job.
Making 35mm slide presentations is fast, easy, and inexpensive with an Amiga 2000, the Polaroid palette, and Liquid Light's imprint software. The palette hooks right to the Amiga. It has an automated camera that squeezes off the shots one at a time. The software controls everything. And font packages like Cara fonts give slides extra life and dimension.
Sometimes I create electronic slideshows, and the difference between an electronic slideshow and a regular one is instead of using a slide projector, you're using the Amiga, and it's going directly to an RGB monitor or a widescreen projection TV.
Stunning animated video presentations can be created with the Amiga 2000 and any number of affordable add-ons. In fact, the Amiga's been used by network TV producers to create sophisticated special effects. But it doesn't matter whether you're using professional video equipment or your home VCR, the Amiga 2000 can bring your ideas alive. The Amiga 2000, a versatile, affordable, and powerful tool for today's graphics professional, redefining the art of the possible.
I found that I had more at my fingertips than I normally would have if I'm working with pencil and magic marker.
I can produce a dozen designs in nearly the same amount of time as I could produce one design by hand.
Well, the Amiga is like having a type shop in my studio.
A lot of times it's not necessarily the quality of your work, but how you present it that's going to get you the job.
Expand the art of the possible in your design studio. Ask your authorized dealer for more information and a demonstration, and put the Commodore Amiga 2000 to work for you. Only Amiga makes it possible. Keep watching for an in-depth listing of the software and peripherals that let you do everything you've seen in this video, and more.